That was my new burn barrel, and this one's kind of worn away over the years, so we're gonna be digging that baby out, and I'm gonna build a little platform down there on the bottom so that I can set this one, which I cut all the way through. Hello! I'm gonna set that up on bricks so I can shovel out from under it so I don't get this buildup in here. Meanwhile, I'm gonna take all that buildup and shovel it out and bring it over to where I'm sort of laying the beginnings of a second driveway over there, where that tree is right there. I'm gonna be piling a bunch of dirt up over there and maybe eventually getting that out to the road. So we're gonna have a start at that right now. Hey. Okay, and there's the new barrel in place, and some of the leftover steel from the old one that I'm gonna have to get rid of at the recycle bin. And I'm shooting this from the porch because I forgot the ants had made home down there, and I just got out of the shower because I got inundated with ants. My ankles and calves and shins are just covered with bites now. I had to strip down and jump in the shower and just wash them all off. But I still finished the job, more or less. I've still got to build a brick support for that, and I got some details to do on the bottom. But there's the new burn barrel in place. Ta-da! I did something. Okay, good morning. Finished this up this morning, and therein lies my new burn barrel burning thing. I sloped to the bottom piece back so that rain won't accumulate in it. It'll run off the back. I got it elevated, and so that'll be a chimney. And when it burns, I can just reach in there and shovel out what's in there, the ashes, and take them away so they won't build up in there. Nice draw on that. There we go. Now, burning ain't the greatest thing, but it's what we do down here. One more detail, realized I did have some chicken wire here, 1/4-inch chicken wire, and so I just mocked up a little piece of that, which put lots of holes in my hands. That stuff's a pain in the neck. So this is going to be my grate. I don't know how long it'll last in the flames, but it's a start. Okay, so there's the grate in place on the blocks. And if you look down there, you see the ants are back again. I don't know what it takes to get rid of them things. Amazing. Billions and billions and billions of them. It's incredible. Anyway, so then I'll put the barrel back on top of that. Okay, so there we go. Barrel back in place. Grill in place. So ideally everything burns and then just the ashes fall through. So all those cigarette butts will get burned. And there we go. Ta-da! Happy day to ya!